All right, here we go. Monday morning, we're rolling. Last trading day of the month. Kicking off September tomorrow. It's been a big August. Look at these equity markets. S&P up over 7.2% right now on the month. Dow Jones up over 8%. You compare that to where we were on March 23rd when we saw the lows. That's over a 57% move in both the Dow and the S&P. Just monstrous. Now on the flip side, you look at the dollar, and again, the dollar's just been getting crushed, particularly the month of August. This is the worst month we've had in the dollar in nearly 5 years. So the Fed just keeps pumping money into the economy right now with loose policy, and as a result, equity markets power higher, dollar moves lower. We'll see if the trend continues into September. Now, heading into the market today, flat markets. Not much going on in the equities, not much going on in oil, not much shaking in gold and silver. FX is pretty quiet at the moment. But again, big week on tap. So Friday, August jobs report, unemployment rate, non-farm payroll. So for those of you looking to make a prediction on the Nadex platform in either non-farm payroll or the unemployment rate, you can start and do so today. So get in there. Those numbers come out Friday, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. So like I said, end of the month. But all that means is we're wiping the slate clean and we're starting a new month tomorrow. So let's get rolling. Let's get out there, get after it. Hope everybody had a good weekend. I'll check in with you again tomorrow. Stay safe, stay healthy. Check in with us on Facebook and Twitter for updates. All right, folks. Bye-bye.